The Filipino adverb of manner maingat means carefully in English. Maingat. Maingat. Maingat siyang naglinis ng mga porselana. He or she cleaned the porcelain carefully. Maingat means carefully siya is he or she naglinis. Linis is the root word, means clean. And then a porcelana is a porcelain. Maingat siyang naglinis ng mga porselana. Maingat siyang naglakad sa mga batuhan. It means he or she walked carefully on the rocky ground. Maingat is carefully siya is he or she. Lakad means walk. And batuhan is like rocky rocks, rocky ground, batuhan. Maingat siyang naglakad sa mga batuhan. Suriin mo ng maingat ang kontrata. Examine the contract carefully. Suriin means to examine. Maingat means carefully. And then kontrata is a contract. So, suriin mo ng maingat ang kontrata. Maingat niyang tinanggal ang tinik sa isda. He or she carefully removed the fishbone. Carefully, maingat is carefully niya. Is he or she tanggal means to like remove. Tinik is a fishbone and then isda is fish. Maingat niyang tinanggal ang tinik sa isda. Maingat, once more, when we say maingat, it's an adverb of manner. Adverb of manner, it means carefully in English. Maingat, maingat.